Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add Calendly to WEBFLOW. Okay, so first up, log into your Calendly account. And once you're in here, go to the left panel and make sure that you're under the event types section. Okay, now in here, just go to the right side and click on the gear icon besides new event type. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on add to website. Okay, just click on it. And you have three options. We have inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. Okay. Now you can go ahead and select one. For this example, I'm just going to be using pop-up text as I have made a video where I used inline embed to connect it to WordPress. Okay. And here we're going to be using pop-up text. Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted, then hit on continue. And here, as you can see, here we have the code. Just click on copy code. Now go to your WEBFLOW account right here. Now in here, go to the top left and click on the plus sign, which says add element. Click on it, search for elements. Now go ahead and type in embed, like so. Now go ahead and click on code embed and paste the code in there. Okay, I cannot show you because I don't have the paid or upgraded version of WEBFLOW, but you can just go ahead and click on it and paste the copied code to WEBFLOW. And once done, you can go ahead and hit on preview or just save it for now. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.